Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport D350 Autobiography. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the absolutely sublime Fuji White. This Sport features a plethora of added extras, so make sure you check them in the description below. Let's start our journey from the front of this Sport, where we will see the digital LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights alongside image projection, which will ensure a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, you will see many contrasting features, all courtesy of the black exterior pack, such as your black contrast roof, your black Bonnet Louvres, as we now finalise down on the 23-inch gloss black alloys, alongside their Red Brake Calipers. As we now move around to the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. You'll also notice the black Sport badges and the Range Rover badges. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space. Looking to our right, you'll see easy to access controls for your dynamic air suspension, ensuring easy loading in and out of this vehicle, as well as easy to access controls to power recline your rear seats. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their light cloud and ebony perforated semi-aniline seats, which are also fully electric, heated and ventilated. Rear passengers will also be able to access their own climate control systems, which they both can tailor to their own individual preferences. Glimpsing into the cockpit, which will reveal your 22-way heated and ventilated massage electric memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. You'll also notice your SV Bespoke duo tone ebony and light Cloud Suede cloth headlining. As we now take a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your speed, as well as your heads-up display, which is demonstrated here by my finger. As we now would move over to your 13.1-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera as well as your park assist, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access your heated, cooled and massage seat functions from within your entertainment screen. You'll further be able to access various vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. As we take a closer look now into the centre console, which you'll also see your SV Bespoke Satin forged carbon finisher, as well as your front centre console refrigerator compartment, which will also come in very handy in these warmer weathers. As we finalise our journey, we look up to find your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle and enhance the headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the magnificent approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport D350 Autobiography, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Thank you for watching.